my name is Emma and I'm so happy to see you again for a new tutorial online with Tarkett Academy. And I'm with the best teacher ever, Mr. Ben. Hi Ben.
Hi Emma. So in the other video we have seen how to install a Tarkett iconic flooring. We will see now how to complete the installation with the skirtings.
Amazing. Let's go. So I guess we need a new set of tools, right?
Yes, exactly.
Good.
We are going to need safety gloves, meter box with a saw, sanding paper, measuring tape, pencil, caulking gun, a cartridge with skirting adhesive.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah, but first let's measure the length of the wall.
Okay.
So now, as we have all the skirtings in the room, we can start to place them.
Okay.
So my advice here is to place the first one in the inside corner. Here we will make a 45-degree cut.
But isn't it too short?
Yeah, those skirtings are 2 meters long.
Okay.
So it means that we will have to use 2 of them here.
Here we go.
And here we will put a mark. We will make a 45-degree cut so that when we will place it, it will hide a little bit the joint.
Okay, wonderful. Got it.
Okay, for the cut, we will use a saw with a micro box. I will do the first one, you will do the next one. Use your safety glove.
Safety first, yes.
Right.
Okay, so you secure it and then 45 degrees.
In this direction.
Wonderful.
Right? And this will be placed here.
Okay.
Now it's your turn.
Let's go.
You will cut in this direction.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have our marks. I will cut on those marks at 45 degrees. Now we place it there. It's much nicer with a 45-degree cut than with a straight one.
Actually, yes. God, that was fast. You're very good at it. I guess we need to do all the walls, right?
That will be exactly the same process.
I'm ready.
So we have cut all the skirtings for the wall. We will now cut the small parts of the outside corners.
Tricky part, huh?
No, not so much. So we will take this offcut of skirting. Now just take the pencil and place a mark at the corner. Perfect. And now we can just make the cut.
Beautiful.
Now we will just cut the second part. We will just eliminate the small burrs with a sanding paper. Perfect. So now we will just put them together. Perfect.
Yeah, it's lovely. So now, how do we fix them?
Very easy. We will use a caulking gun with a special adhesive for skirting.
Amazing. I love it.
Perfect. Now we will just do the same on all the walls.
Let's go.
Okay, Emma. Installation is complete. We have to let the adhesive dry for 15 minutes and we are all done.
Okay. So we have time for some tea and biscuits then.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Okay, my job is done. Emma, what do you think about the results?
I love it. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm a big fan and I cannot wait to put my furniture in my new bedroom. So thank you so much, Tarkett Academy, and thank you, Ben. Really.
You're welcome.
See ya. With this final touch, the room is complete. My bedroom is beautiful with all the furniture and I love it. And you can check out other online videos with Tarkett Academy.